Hi, today we are going to see how to create an unit file in Caesar 2. First, open new and then select the folder location using browse option. Then give the title as this should be your system name. System 1, 2, 3 like that. I am giving just SOS01. Then default unit files will be displayed. So if you are using English units, then you can retain this one. Otherwise, close this one. So the input spreadsheet will be appear. Close this, and before starting giving the unit files, we need to check the line list. In the critical line list, we need to check the temperature, pressure, and density. The same unit you need to apply in Caesar. So in this, they are given us temperature as degree Celsius and pressure as kg per centimeter square and density as kg per meter cube. So now we are going to see how to create an unit file. In any project, it is very important to refer the critical line list because you need to match the same units in Caesar file. So now we close this one, close this window, and then go to Tools, Create or Review Units, Review, yeah, then you have to select this one. And there will be a lot of default unit files. We are going to select mm.fil. And we are going to give project.fil. So this should be your unit project title name. So you can give any name, but better if you save it as project unit, then it will be easy for you. You can see now mm.fil units are displayed. So in this already temperature in degree Celsius, and we are going to change the pressure as Newton per centimeter square. Since kg per centimeter square is not available in these units, so we are going to use Newton per centimeter square. So you can multiply the value of pressure into 9.81, you will get Newton per centimeter square. Then you can change the density to kg per meter cube, all densities, pipe density, and then fluid density. So all densities you can change it to kg per meter cube for our reference. Then uniform loads, if uniform loads is there like earthquake or snow load, so you can change those units also based on the units provided in the stress design basis. Wind and then wind load also you need to refer the piping stress design basis to get the correct units. It may be pressure versus elevation or velocity versus elevation. The appropriate units shall be selected based on your stress design basis. So other values we are going to retain. Then nominal should be on always. So if you select on, then if you select on means then only your OD will be converted into mm. Otherwise, if you are giving 2 inch, so it will be displayed as 2 inch. So better you keep the nominals are on. Then save. Finally, you have to save this file. Yeah. And then cancel. So before going to this, a unit file is created. You see project.fil has been created in the respective folder. So and then we need to go to configuration file, tools or configuration, or directly configure is there. That configuration for you have to select configure. So you should not open directly once you create the unit file. You have to go to configuration, configure. Then in this, yeah, you have to select that one and change temperature. So in the configuration, you can change either temperature, pressure, temperature is new ambient temperature you can change, and then you can change the unit file what we have selected. So this configuration file is very, very important. So you can change the values based on the configuration setup provided by the client. And then the node increment you can change it to 20 better, because if you want to insert or break any elements, then it would be useful. So select this one. And shifts and stresses. So shifts and stresses, we need to select maximum 3D shear stress theory. Already it's a default value for piping, and if it is for pipeline, so you need to select von Mises theory to get the correct results. So based on the stress failure only, Caesar will calculate the stress and the output will be displayed. Okay, so after that you select input, and your unit file will be displayed as this one, project.unit file. So whatever values we have created, it will be appeared here. So now you can see the in the spreadsheet the values have been changed. Previously it was in English units. Now we have changed it into project.fil based on our project requirements. So you can see all values have been changed. Just I am giving one material. So you can see the density is in kg per meter cube, and corrosion allowance is in mm, and other values pressure is in Newton per centimeter square. So our basic idea is, first you need to create a unit file and configuration setup, then only you can go for the input feed or modeling based on the isometric drawings. So in every project, the basic thing what we are going to follow is, first we need to create a unit file and configuration file. In some of the projects, in the stress design basis as well, clients used to provide the unit.fil and configuration.cfg file. So if they provide, then you have to create based on those values. If they were not provided, what we need to do, we need to create a unit file. We need to create an .fil and .cfg and send it to the client for their approval. After getting their approval, we will start the modeling. Thank you.